Good morning, good morning. Today is going to be more of a exploring and hiking day. It's our third to last day, I believe. Yeah, we leave in 3 days. This is Kourtaliotiko Gorge. Really cool. Planning on hiking in it a little bit. There's supposedly a big waterfall here, and all I have to do is find the trailhead, or if there's a trail. After that, we're gonna head over to Preveli Beach and Gorge, which is just 15 minutes down the road from here. And then from there, we're just going to take the scenic route to Chania, which is Crite's second city. We'll stay in Chania for the next 2 nights, and then we'll depart on the 12th to 13th. Well, found the trailhead. Had a happy little mistake. So I drove down this path that we're about to walk down, and on the maps it shows that it's just a road that ends. Ideally it ends below that. In the distance there's a tourist bus and there's a scenic overlook. Ideally it would end right below that, but it kept going, and then I realized that I was on the trail and not on an actual, well, it is a road, but there's no parking or anything. So ended up backing up all the way until this little intersection right in front of us, and it was pretty fun. It's kind of like going backwards on a fork truck. But entering the gorge now, and down in that shadowy section in the distance, that's where the waterfall supposedly is. So I'll just be hiking down to the falls and checking out the gorge. Do a little bouldering maybe, I don't know. I finally got use out of the hiking boots that I've lugged around with me for the last 3 weeks, and I'm looking forward to it. Today should be a lot of hiking, or as much as I can handle, and then again relaxing in Chania. That'll be the actual vacation. I think that'll be the vacation after the vacation. That'll be a thing. We'll do the main vacation will be the exploring and getting all run out and tired, and then the after vacation will just be a few days relaxing in a city. This is the spot that I drove to, right to the edge of that shade, and I'm glad I didn't go any further down the slope because the gravel gets very loose. There's no way I would have made it back up. I mean, there's enough room right here to park the car, and there's enough room to turn around, but oh well. We were playing it safe. That's what's important. Being actually able to get out of here is what's important. Oh, hey, look, there's... don't tell me we could have just walked... Oh, well, there's stairs over there, and it looks like it leads to the scenic overlook, so... whatever. None of that's on the maps, so there's no way we would have known that. Now the goal is how to get into the gorge. Well, my question's been answered. Literally 30 seconds later, there are these very convenient stairs. But you know what that means? If there's stairs that we go down, we gotta go back up them. The worst thing about stairs. Holy shit. It's a big place. Well, Crite's got a lot of gorges. I was planning originally to go to 3 or 4 of them, but then all the cancellations with the ferry made me cancel the day I was going to go do that near Agios Nikolaos. But I'm happy that I was able to get to this one and to Preveli Gorge, which is after this. We had to trim down. Well, the schedule I made was a bit unrealistic, but it gave me options. All right. Definitely a little different from how I thought it was going to be. We ended up walking down this plank near a man-made dam, and our goal is over there where those people are. We made it down. Not much of a hike, but the ending is very nice. I didn't bring my suit, but apparently you can go all the way down that cavern there to a waterfall. That's the main fall. Honestly, I might just go in my shorts as is, because why the hell not? There's more people coming, so I want to fly a little bit and then see what we can see. Alright, so the swimming to the fall might be a bad idea since it's freezing in this water, but I think if I swim around a little bit, make it less immensely cold. Ow, these rocks. Now, we got the shorts on because I didn't bring a suit, but I really want to get over to that fall, and I guess we'll see how far I can tolerate the cold. We'll try it out, we'll try it out. Alright, we're good. Oh shit. It's fucking freezing. Sorry. Need to swim somewhere I can stand. Holy shit, it's cold. Alright. We made it halfway. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay. Made it halfway in my shorts. It is very cold. And want to try to get down to the falls before the fucking, what is it, hypothermia? Where that shit kicks in. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh wow, very nice. All right, let's try and see how far we can go. All right. Oh, hey, there's a bridge over there. Awesome. All right. Oh, nice, I can stand. All right, all right, all right. You can stand. Now I am barefoot, and there are a lot of rocks, so I'm trying taking this slow. Slow and steady. Okay, bear with me. I am trying to navigate the rocks on the ground. Without totally fucking up my feet. Los Angeles. We're gonna see how close we can get without getting completely demolished by this waterfall. And it is again fucking freezing, but I'm never gonna be here again, so why not? Honestly, I might come back here just for this. Alright. Alright. I think that's enough, because I'm wearing glasses and I fucking can't lose these. This is fucking awesome. Honestly, it is freezing, but there are places where you can stand up, like right here. Totally worth swimming in my shorts, 100%. All right, let's get the fuck out of here and warm up. Horizon leveling, won't fail me now. Oh, fuck. All right, we're leaving with these two guys I met who live in Crete. Super nice. And now I have to shut off the camera because I need my hands to get the hell out of here. But what a great place, honestly. Alright, we get out of the canyon a different way that we came in, up an ungodly amount of stairs. Instead of taking that long winding road down there back up, our car is way over there at the end of this that we can see. And now that it's about 11, got all the other tourists waking up, coming out here. So good idea always to get out before the other tourists. Look at all these people. It was so much better just being the three of us. Preveli will definitely be busy though, and they said there's a lot of stairs there also, so I might just go to the beach and walk up the beginning part of the gorge, but we'll see.